Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a detailed video on eyebrow tutorial. If you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. I'm going in with the Hegai and Esther brow pomade in ebony to line my brows using a bent liner brush. I'm lining it carefully. I'm going with the Davies eye pencil in number 03 to do strokes. I'm not going to be doing hair-like strokes to make the brow look as natural as possible. I'm not shading, I'm just stroking. And I'm going in with the Adventure Concealer to conceal the brows, or rather to highlight the brow bone area. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do it so I don't go into what I've drawn to avoid mistakes. You have to be very careful in this part. Take your time while doing this part. Now I'm buffing out the concealer. I'm blending it in. After blending it, I'm using the setting powder to set the concealer. And that's it beauties. This is the finished look. Tell me what you think about this in the comment box below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and please share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.